All right, y'all. It's our time. It's our time. It's our time. Donald Trump done put them tariffs on everybody, so the market has sunk, has sold off. We're having a sell off now. It's the time for you to be running to the market, not running from it. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Y'all remember, you are the CEO of your portfolio. Y'all can follow me and see what I do. Whatever plays I like that I make that you like and make sense to you. You follow me. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. Need me to do a video breakdown on any stock? Leave it in the comments. I don't mind doing it. But nah, man, we're gonna get on through it. I've been trading since 2020. I done seen a lot of rough times from COVID to now. And it's about to get ugly out here. The question is, how long is it gonna be ugly for? So you got to cash up, man, and whatever side hustle you got, this is the time for you to go and grind, man, and put your money in the market. Y'all need to be running to the market, not running from it. Buying up all these stocks at a discount. So when they go up in 2026, 2027, whatever we get bullish, it could be 2025 too. I mean, you can't time the market. All it takes is some good news to come out about tariffs and the market will price it in and keep on moving. I think they might actually price this here in. They just want to know what are we doing? Okay, what tariffs you putting on people? For how long? Whoop whoop whoop. This and that, so we can move forward. The market hates uncertainty. They want to know what's going on. The market is forward looking. So I'm hoping they price this in. You might get a be shocked tomorrow. And it might be bullish tomorrow if the market price it in. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna give you what I'm doing. I'm buying cash flow and I'm buying dividend stocks too. Not dividend stock, growth stocks also, but y'all know I'm a cash flow investor. But I will be buying some growth stocks. I'm gonna give y'all the plays, watch my market updates. I watch my live trades too. Man, let's go ahead now, man. I'm going with RYLD. This got down right now in the after market 24 hours right now is trading at like $14.73. It sold off bad after 8 o'clock, man. I brought 500 shares of this today. I had a buy limit order in at 14.85, which it triggered. I now have like 1,014 shares of it. I wanted to get my 1,000 shares of it. This pays like 16 to 16 and a half cents a share a month. But to give you a forewarning, being that it's in the $15, $14 range, it's probably gonna be paying like 14, 15 cents a share a month. One thing about RYLD and QYLD, whatever dollar amount it's at, is how much it's gonna pay. You're gonna get a penny for every dollar. So if it's in $16 range where to start trading, you're gonna get 16 and a half cents a share. $17, you're gonna get 17 cents. 18, you're gonna get 18 cents. That's basically how it trades. RYLDs are buy at 16 and under. That's when I start buying it and loading up. QYLD at 17 and under. So they both are in buy range right now. It's trading at 12.28% dividend yield, man. You cannot beat that. This is definitely when I'm going after. I already got my 1,000 shares, so my goal is accomplished, but I am going to nibble at it still, buy some fractional shares of it every day. All right, man, we're going to go to QYLD. It's the NASDAQ 100 cover call ETF, 12.68%. RYLD is the Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is RYLD. NASDAQ 100 is QYLD. I'm going to do XYLD. That is the S&P 500. So you can cover all those. The Russell 2000, the NASDAQ 100, and the S&P 500. All right, that being said, 12.28% yield, man. This one got down to $16 and want to say in 22 cent or 26 cent. So we need a dollar cost averaging this on down by a fraction of shares or by a share a day. Don't load up on nothing. Remember, this got a 52-week low of 15.91, so it can go down some more. But you want to take advantage of these dips. Let's see what XYLD did. This a buy at 40 and under. Got down to 38.90. This also paid dividend yield 11.68%. A little less in the dividend, but less volatile. As you can see, the holdings is, you got Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google A and Google C, Berkshire, Broadcom, and Tesla. So this is less volatile. You'll get some price appreciation out of this one. I mean, you get it out of both of them. All three of you buy it at the right price, but you get more out of this one than probably the QYLD and RYLD. As far as price appreciation, XYLD will be number one, QYLD 2, and RYLD is 3. But you're gonna get a good dividend yield out of all of them. Another one get beat down, man. ORC. I could do this video just on cash flow here. Alright, ORC, man, this thing here getting beat up bad this week, man. This made a new 52-week low today, $7.22. Dividend yield right now is 19.92. Question is this sustainable or not? And if so, for how long? Market cap is 700 going down now, being that the price going down, 765 million. P ratio 12.68. Analysts still got this as a whole, so you're gonna get that 12 cent a share monthly dividend until they do a dividend cut, if so. But we shall see. That's one of the dangerous things about REITs. We got ARR, Alma Residential REIT, 24 cent a share month at 16.74. Got down to 16.55. Today, new 52-week low, 16.91% yield. Market cap still over $1 billion though, so that's strong. Average trade volume 2.69 million. This is definitely one I'm buying. I'm gonna get that ORC and ARR. Like I said, it's time to come up, man. Y'all trying to retire early. These are the moves y'all need to be making. You're gonna have to take a little risk, but just make sure it's worth it. Just buy them at the right price, man. That's what it's all about, man. Taking the risk at the right price. You can take that risk when it's having a market sell-off because you're getting it at the floor. All right, Officer Square Capital, 3.5 cents a share a month. I'm hoping this go down to below the 250 range, man, because I'm going to load up on this one. Get 5 shares a day. 52-week high is $3.29. I usually buy this at $2.80 and under. I like the 260 and under mark, but like I say, 280 and under, you can still buy a share a day. 260, you can get 250 and under. You can start getting 5 or 3 or 5 of them. That's how I trade it. Market cap 179 million. P ratio 28.84. Got this as a well, this one ain't gonna have one. Market cap too low. But 3.5 cents a share a month, man. Like I say, take the risk at the right price. Dividend yield 16.41%. Even if they cut it down, you still gonna get a nice juicy double-digit yield. This has been trading 3.5 cents a share a month for the longest, so I'm gonna rock out with it. AGNC is still up, so not worrying about that one. And sorry today, man, I didn't trade. I had to actually check out of my timeshare in St. Augustine. Check out at like 10 o'clock. So I try to be out of there by 10:30. So, which I was out of there by that time, but had to get on the road, stopped in St. Augustine, took my kids to a nature park. You know, they out on spring breaks to try to stretch this trip out a little longer, get them another day at it before I made it on in. So, let's go see. I'm going to give y'all OXLC. This one been climbing. I've been giving y'all this one for the last probably 45 days. As you see right now, this is about to go back to the $5 mark. Like I was telling y'all, I need to take advantage of those dips. If you watched the last month, this is the pattern of it. Last 5 days, this is what it is. It's on its way back up. Got to take advantage of those pullbacks. I'm hoping this pull back down. A lot of people taking their money out of growth and put them in the dividend stocks. So while the market is down, they get a dividend. That's what I like to do year long throughout my investing period. Well, my lifetime of it. Like I say, even when times get bad, man, you can still get paid without having selling shares. Anyway, man, Just went from 479 to 495 today. I'm hoping it's pulled back to that 450 range. I wish it touched that $4.01 range or 425 again, but I hope it do, man, because I got to buy it in for 11,112 shares at 401. Got to give me $1,000 a month. Just pay 9 cents a share a month. 21.86% yield. Market cap 2.2 billion. PE ratio is at a 6.10. They got this rated as a buy. Even at this price, man, it's still a deal below the $5 mark. I buy 5 shares of this today at the daily low, but like I said, I'm praying this come back down, man. We're gonna find out tomorrow. 6.79 million trades a day with trade volume. So those are like my top stocks I'm going to right about now. As far as the monthly payers, I got some weekly payers too. And we're gonna ride out, man. I say just follow me, man. Don't y'all panic sell. You need to be running to the market right about now. I'm signing off, man. Go get your money.